Abusuya ende kopie mu e wo market na ene market woman fo ni bi kodi nkomo na nkomo de ene mu no mo kire say omo no mo yie pa say eye 7th December 2024 omo mpia ba bonten amba mbeto aba ema tibon kosofo omo asebi mpreduasa omo nim omo left from omo right ene omo right from omo left ekokosa ala nkoto abade ko yi John Dramani Mahama aka Mr. Incompetent eba ya in the only Ghana as Ghana man pinini omo kire so mo nu omo yie na sankemene timi de sesa ene emre timi ko na chi biom a na nka sa mistake no ye no enya ade ombe repeat sa mistake na biom omo de nsam itu jaba be kokko pie mu e wo Kumasi ene eye market woman fo bi ko twetwe nkomo ebu so omo say Ghana e kosan na ade ton mu te san wey ene nsam omo de jo aye Ghana nsam TV meeting e the promise message so subscribe to the channel no e dey am we are like it share na kire wa dwen comment section no fama ye ko tie nsam a Ghana for the to jaba e ko pie mu e wo Kumasi ene om kokodi e ye nkomo e fa Ghana ene se ne nema esi e ko no e ho ye ko tie mbra
so what to ebu and it's no was so a hell of one of these. Thinking I am of it. Mark to a bad friend of Moose. Missy, where you moved it to a we dey me ne wan kasa kwa kotie nsem a eye ye maame mo mo eye asantemam ene ye mbra mo omo asantemam de atodwa kire se omo no omo papa se omo mpia nkwa abonten enko nkoto aba ama ende Ghana aban no John Dramani Mahama edi anim no ama Ghana atete apansa won kire se eye ade eye awrawusem papa san ende onko market a omo ton ayento omo no a ekosi wono mo a ebesi wa na kire se niema no asai na ajom nsem omo ko give loan ekofa niema ba market a omo de manamba si wa tra ho apaya don komio 22 cedi 11 cedi 22 cedi 11 cedi at the end of the day no omo nton hwe na chese omo Sunday omo aniwo eni enimguase akokotena fi omo chese John Dramani Mahama aban ne de oba ye na yade a omo nu omo hu ya ne omo ba omo ko school na John Dramani Mahama e share bosen ka oba omo de papa de ne gari e de chese omo di omo chese aya awro wosem ama omo nu omo hu papa na omo ka san semu na mebuso omo se na John Dramani Mahama ka so oba be 24-hour economy amma chese mo amoton ade no me run 3 shifts na ba ko ba no pa 6 to 2 no apon no bi aba no aba 2 to 8 na the next one so aba 8 to 6 anopa na am say wine John Dramani Mahama nkan okre na am so asembe na okay the president of the Republic of Ghana the way they aka son kan no am intro no betwa ye yo say na the okay nyina ye intro nda that say no kra bia ni montimi nye na am say what do you mean by ontimi nye because the person stated in ne policies and the campaign and all you know so this is my policy am dey go akwam ababe yama Ghana tumpon so what are you saying say ontimi nye you can't tell me this no am say boga yan ye te market aka kire wo say 24-hour economy na Mahama kai no ntro oba ye na nya dwuma you must be joking because the John Dramani Mahama I know promised that Oba he would make sure say Ghana ever run a 24-hour economic system. The people ye edwuma no almost 90% ever running on business now on a shift a year 1-3-3. This is a one job no you been 3 shifts, 3 people working on the same job at the same day. So what are you saying? You know, then if that was he said that, then it is not actually happening. And I'm saying no. I need to answer other people. So maybe from and what they said will shock you. Could you believe someone catch me say they are actually waiting for that 24-hour economy thing to start so that some of them will get a job to do. And I was like, but it has already started. No, I'm saying, why? What has already started? What has already started? And I'm saying, don't play with my mind. Because John Dramani Mahama, let's say your 24 economy, no matter start, you're allocating 100 and something million Ghana cedis credit yako. No, I'm saying, Oba has over bidi, young finance or over bidi. Then I'm saying, meet me bedi watem. Eh, dear me mate, and I'm meeting, make country and I gonna follow market in this no. Then that is not what is happening here. Currently, no, we are suffering. And I'm suffering as in how? Why are you suffering? And I'm saying yes, because you're marketing and today. And I'm so obwa. And I'll say no correct. And I'm saying okay. Then out on and also you out on tadie or cock of fat in tadie or like wholesale no work of fat. No have it on the retail. Now I could trap at the coffin tadie now. Or the bar, just say the whole day 2 cranny and toy. And it's any boss what you know. For saying last year. And I was like, bro, say Christmas here, Mama could man and also customs. I know they're okay, but it's actually not working. It's very sad that Ghanaians actually sat down for this man to deceive them to this extent that and they're gonna phone no. I knew that this day would be coming, but I never thought Sebeba and Temsa. Yes, I never thought Sebeba and Temsa. I never thought. Say, Sebeba and Tem to the extent say, and the Ghana phobia no some to about them at the NDC. It's me who say, Tibo on course need to be no yes and Mahama ye Juman away now the Messana with Tons and all. You actually don't know what you're talking about. You actually don't know what you are talking about, because if Unim the Okam one seminar, you would have shut up a long time ago. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has failed. He has failed. And now Ghanaians are regret to say Sala and Koto Abamano. Where are all the promises that he made? He's been in power for almost 11 to 12 months now. Still, he has nothing to write home about. Nothing. It is very sad that Ghanaians, this man, John Dramani Mahama, it deceive you. He has deceived you people. And next time, you will learn the hard way. You will learn a hard way. Eyezu. Eyezu. Ebusuya, nurses, any teachers are now my 11 and 12 months and into Omoka. Omobe demonstration, and now I'm so my minister for health. I am in Takando, any minister for education. A year, how in a Idrusu. I can't say minister for air finance. A year, Keswatu force and I'm clearance. I see, I know. Betting me to your Mokam in November, bet your Mokan. Matter say, I say, Omupeno, instead of 11 months and 1 month, and a buy. Baby Sramo, Etesa, set the Salmon who comment session. No, that's Sadia. Naturally, a manager moment as a John Dramani Mahama, 2013 to 2017, about Ghana president, you know. Not teachers for Sadia means Bosome, sorry, infirmians, and Tomoka, Bosome Miansa. Nanas is 4 years, Juma, Bosome, infirmiansa. No, Tom Cabo Miansa. This is the same John Dramani Mahama. And I'm okay, yes, the press, the preco part, said John Dramani Mahama. We are sorry for not voting for you in 2016. This is the same John Dramani Mahama. Namufu say, yeah, Kachila say, Muya Gen Zs, Namubusa seniors, no. Say, Omuya Juma under John Dramani Mahama the first time, what happened? Nakate Cheninias Nidie, John Dramani Mahama will try our Lawamu in Kafa Hobeng. And the most teachers for no year better than now. I don't know for the allow be a friend professional allowance by ya. Now, I'm 100 cedis every month. Cabo with the mamo 1,002 in 2019 now. After 2023 or 200 cedis every month. Or can they say a year no 2,400? 2023 we do 2,400 plus a year research allowance 800 cedis. Next one year 3,200. Amoji both 2022 to 2024. And the multi for now John Dramani Mahama or by the way 200 cedis per musum. Keep quiet and sit somewhere. Keep quiet and sit somewhere. Let me tell you people. If John Dramani Mahama into ya, you know, let me tell you, let me shock you. metete on frama mu say allegedly no sa ala wa no kura no omo pɛ sɛ